Lightweight motorcycles have a special kind of charm. They're simple, easy to ride, fuel-efficient, and perfect for everyday life. Whether you're commuting, exploring backroads, or just enjoying a calm weekend ride. In 2026, we're seeing a fresh wave of lightweight motorcycles that blend modern tech with real-world practicality. So today, we're counting down the top 7 new lightweight motorcycles for 2026. Let's begin with number 7, Royal Enfield Hunter 350. The 2026 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 remains one of the most enjoyable lightweight motorcycles for everyday riding. While it's not the most powerful bike in this list, it offers something beginners, commuters, and urban riders love: simplicity and comfort. Its 349cc single-cylinder engine delivers smooth, predictable power that's perfect for navigating busy streets or cruising at a relaxed pace. Royal Enfield refined the throttle response and improved vibration control for 2026, giving the bike a noticeably calmer feel at mid-range speeds. The Hunter's real strength is its easygoing nature. The low seat height, upright ergonomics, and lightweight frame make it incredibly approachable for new riders or anyone looking for a stress-free motorcycle. The suspension has been slightly retuned for 2026, offering better comfort on uneven roads while keeping the bike's nimble personality intact. Styling remains one of its highlights. Compact, modern, urban-friendly, and available in fresh colors like chrome gray and cosmic black. It's the kind of bike that feels familiar the moment you sit on it. The Hunter 350 is not about performance numbers. It's about enjoyment, accessibility, and practicality. For riders wanting a lightweight, no-drama motorcycle in 2026, the Hunter is a warm, welcoming option that fits easily into everyday life. Number 6. BMW G310R. The 2026 BMW G310R delivers lightweight performance with premium refinement, making it an ideal choice for riders who want a compact motorcycle without compromising on quality. BMW refined the 313cc engine this year to provide smoother power delivery and more controlled low RPM behavior, perfect for city riding and for beginners who are still building throttle confidence. One of the biggest advantages of the G310R is its balance. The bike feels incredibly stable at low speeds while remaining playful and agile once you get moving. The upright ergonomics and comfortable seat make daily commuting enjoyable, and BMW improved suspension damping for 2026, giving the bike a more planted feel on rough streets. Styling updates include sharper LED lighting, a redesigned tail section, and new colors like racing blue and mineral black. These subtle changes give the bike a clean, modern look while maintaining its sporty DNA. Despite its compact size, the G310R carries a premium feel: smooth clutch, crisp gearbox, and high-quality components that set it apart from many lightweight bikes. It's an ideal motorcycle for riders who want something elegant, reliable, and easy to handle. For 2026, the BMW G310R continues to be one of the best lightweight roadsters in the world. Number 5. Kawasaki Z400. The Kawasaki Z400 has always been known as one of the most enjoyable lightweight motorcycles, and the 2026 refresh makes it even better. Its 399cc parallel twin engine remains one of the smoothest in its class, offering strong low and mid-range power that makes everyday riding feel lively but never intimidating. Kawasaki refined engine mapping for 2026 to improve low-speed stability, great for new riders or for navigating tight city streets. The Z400's lightweight frame and sharp handling give it a fun, energetic personality. Despite its sporty appearance, the ergonomics are surprisingly comfortable, with upright seating and wide handlebars that make the bike easy to control. Kawasaki also upgraded the suspension tuning, giving the Z400 more support during cornering and a smoother feel over bumps. Visually, the 2026 model receives updated LED lighting and fresh colors inspired by the Z family design language. It's compact, aggressive, and instantly recognizable. What makes the Z400 so compelling is how approachable it is. It offers the excitement of a sport-naked motorcycle without the intimidation of larger engines. For riders who want a lightweight motorcycle that feels fun, modern, and easy to ride daily, the Z400 remains a top choice for 2026. Number 4. Suzuki GSX-S125. The 2026 Suzuki GSX-S125 is one of the lightest and most fuel-efficient motorcycles in this entire list, and that's exactly why riders love it. Designed for commuting, city riding, and everyday simplicity, the GSX-S125 offers incredibly low running costs while delivering a surprisingly energetic performance for its size. Suzuki updated the engine for 2026 to provide better throttle smoothness and slightly improved torque. The GSX-S125 shines in tight traffic. Its lightweight chassis, narrow body, and agile steering make it easy to maneuver through crowded streets, while the upright seating keeps riders comfortable, even during longer urban rides. The redesigned LED headlamp and sharper side panels give the bike a sportier, more modern look for 2026. Despite its small size, the GSX-S125 feels stable at moderate speeds and handles corners confidently. Riders appreciate the crisp gearbox and smooth power delivery, which make it friendly for complete beginners, as well as experienced riders who want a simple daily machine. This motorcycle isn't about long-distance highway riding. It's about practicality, efficiency, and ease of use. For students, commuters, or riders looking for a lightweight bike they can rely on every day, the GSX-S125 is a perfect fit in 2026. Number 3. Honda CB300R. The 2026 Honda CB300R continues to set the standard for lightweight urban motorcycles. Honda refined the 286cc single-cylinder engine this year, improving smoothness and mid-range performance while keeping the bike's friendly, predictable feel intact. The CB300R has always been admired for its combination of style, comfort, and practicality, and this year's update makes it even more appealing. The upright posture and compact chassis create a natural riding position, perfect for navigating traffic or taking casual weekend rides. Honda improved the suspension tuning for 2026, giving the bike better stability over bumps and a more controlled feel during cornering. The Neo Sports Cafe design remains one of its strongest features, with fresh colors and upgraded LED lighting that give the bike a premium look. The CB300R is incredibly fuel efficient, lightweight, and simple to maintain, qualities that make it ideal for beginners or riders who want a dependable daily motorcycle. The relaxed throttle response and smooth clutch engagement help build confidence quickly. In 2026, the Honda CB300R remains one of the most stylish and practical lightweight motorcycles on the market. Number 2. Yamaha MT-03. The Yamaha MT-03 is one of the most exciting lightweight motorcycles of 2026. Powered by a smooth and lively 321cc parallel twin engine, it offers a perfect blend of beginner-friendly behavior and fun performance. Yamaha refined the throttle mapping and improved low RPM smoothness, giving the MT-03 a calmer feel in traffic and a sharper response on open roads. What riders love most is the handling. The MT-03 feels extremely light, agile, and natural to control, with wide handlebars and upright ergonomics that make it perfect for daily commuting. Yamaha improved the suspension for 2026, giving the bike a more balanced feel in corners while enhancing comfort on rough pavement. The aggressive styling, LED lighting, sharp lines, and bold color options adds to the bike's appeal, especially for younger riders or anyone wanting a modern, energetic design. Despite its sporty look, the MT-03 remains incredibly approachable. For riders wanting a lightweight motorcycle that feels exciting without being overwhelming, the MT-03 continues to be one of the best choices in 2026. Number 1. KTM 390 Adventure. Taking the top spot, the 2026 KTM 390 Adventure is the most versatile lightweight motorcycle on this list. Its updated 373cc engine offers smooth torque, refined throttle response, and excellent fuel efficiency. KTM improved the traction control and suspension for 2026, giving the bike better stability on both pavement and dirt, a huge benefit for riders who enjoy exploring beyond the city. What makes the 390 Adventure special is its ability to do everything. It's light enough for beginners, powerful enough for highway speeds, and capable enough for trail riding. The upright posture and redesigned seat make long rides comfortable, while the latest LED lighting and bold color options give the bike a striking adventure look. The TFT display, off-road ABS, and traction settings provide confidence and control without overwhelming the rider with complex electronics. Everything about the 390 Adventure is designed to help the rider grow, whether they're commuting, cruising, or exploring new terrain. For 2026, no lightweight motorcycle offers more versatility, value, and performance in one package. That's why the KTM 390 Adventure takes the #1 spot. And that wraps up our list of the top 7 new lightweight motorcycles for 2026. Which one would you choose for everyday riding? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear your pick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.